Hello guys, if you want to start detailing steel in advanced steel, this tutorial is for you. In few videos I will show you how to make a complete project from start to finish. I will show you entire procedure from setting up a new project to making a final set of drawings and also how to make revisions to your project. We will be making all of this based on maintenance steel platform for Chicago CTA Transit Authority, Chicago Metro. In this video I will show you how to clip beams. Stick around and check out other videos in this playlist. Consider subscribing, don't forget to click the bell icon to be notified instantly whenever I upload a new video. The project file is available on my website for free, link in the description below. If you need to buy advanced steel software, check out my link below to get a nice discount.
In the last tutorial, we placed slanted beams into our project. The structural engineer, however, placed a request in the design drawing that the slanted beams should be separated from other structural elements by ½ inch. The designer suggested that the slanted beams should be clipped, or notched, as shown in the drawing displayed on the screen and marked in red. In this tutorial we will make the designer's dream come true. We will clip the beam. By now, our model is quite busy, so I'm going to isolate the elements on which I am going to perform the notching procedure. Select the elements and right-click to display the menu and choose the Isolate Objects option. The only elements left are slanted beams and mounting members. If you don't have the file from the previous tutorial, you can download it for free on my website. The link is provided in the description below under this video. The slanted angle is grouped with the other angle. Right-click on the group and find an option to ungroup it. We need those objects to be separate entities to perform clipping operations on them. The next thing to do is, we need to mark a reference line to visually inspect that we are clipping just the right amount of the slanted piece of steel. First, we will lock our UCS on the vertical face of the mounting angle. Open the Advanced Steel Tool palette from the ribbon and find the UCS by 3 points. Then specify the 3 points on the vertical face of the angle. The X and Y axis will be locked on the vertical face, and that is exactly what we need. Now draw the temporary line ½ inch from the top of the angle. Type L and draw the line between the two opposite corners of the angle and then move it down by ½ inch. When moving, I am locking the direction of the move command in the 3D space by locking the cursor on the corner point. Now in the Advanced Steel Tool palette in the Features tab, find Cope Skewed icon and select this icon. That will initiate the tool we need to make modifications to our sloped angle end. Click on the angle at the end you need to modify. The dialog box will open. Now by entering the values in the dialog box, adjust the depth and angle of the clipping. I'm aligning here the clipping with the white line we drew earlier. Looks like the values of 7/8 of an inch and 18.7 degrees work perfectly. As you can see, our clipping procedure went perfectly. Now you can put UCS in the default mode, delete the temporary reference line, and you can finish the object isolation mode. Please subscribe and click on the bell notification icon if you like this tutorial. More tutorials are on the way. Have a wonderful day.